15 miles an hour. Thursday night.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for the Taxco River, including Baltimore Harbor, Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:03 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm capable of producing a waterspout and wind gusts in excess of 34 knots over Sparrows Point, moving northeast at 15 knots. This thunderstorm will be near Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. Waterspouts can develop suddenly and can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous waves. Seek safe harbor immediately. Wind gusts of at least 34 knots, locally high waves and dangerous lightning can be expected. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service.
The official National Weather Service forecast for Philadelphia and the Delaware Valley.